Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing some amazing Amazon finds that are currently up to 30% off. Perfect for refreshing your wardrobe or grabbing some essentials without breaking the bank. From stylish women's fashion to everyday must-haves, I've picked out some seriously good deals you don't want to miss. All the product links are listed in the description below, so be sure to check them out while the discounts last. Let's jump into the deals. 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi. Experience effortless pool cleaning with the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi robotic cleaner. Always connected, you can schedule cleanings from anywhere. Its powerful wall scrubbing action tackles any pool surface, while the top-load filter basket makes debris removal simple. Just plug, drop, and go. Your pool will be spotless in just 2 hours. Backed by 40 years of trusted Dolphin performance, it's pool care made easy. 2. Giraffe Tools AW40 The Giraffe Tools hose reel features a 130-foot hybrid hose that locks at any length for full garden coverage. Its auto-rewind system neatly retracts the hose without kinks. Built with a high-grade, all-weather, abrasion-resistant hose, it withstands up to 600 psi. Easy to mount and remove with a 180-degree bracket and quick-release handle. It also includes a 9-pattern spray nozzle and a 24-month warranty with lifetime support. 3. Crown Shades. Set up your shade in seconds with our 10x10 pop-up canopy tent, featuring one-button push technology and a durable steel frame. The Easy Clip system ensures secure fabric attachment, while UPF 50+ protection and water resistance offer all-day comfort. With 3 height settings, integrated wheels, and compact storage, it's ideal for beach days, markets, barbecues, and more. Spacious yet portable, it's built for convenience, safety, and year-round outdoor fun. 4. Husqvarna 420iQ. The Husqvarna Automower 420iQ is a smart, wire-free robotic lawnmower built for American yards. Using patented satellite technology, it delivers precise mowing across slopes and complex landscapes. Easy to install via app-guided virtual mapping, it operates in all weather, day or night. With full control from your phone, anti-theft features, and easy maintenance, it keeps your lawn perfectly groomed without the hassle. Includes everything needed for setup. 5. EGO Power LM2102SP-A. The EGO self-propelled lawnmower offers variable speeds from 0.9 to 3.1 mph and up to 65 minutes of runtime with 2 included 56-volt 4.0 Ah batteries. Easily adjust cutting height from 1.5 to 4 inches and choose to mulch, bag, or side discharge. It features a convenient push-button start, bright LED headlights, and IPX4 weather resistance, perfect for efficient mowing in any conditions. 6. CLOROX Pool Spa. CLOROX Extra Blue chlorinating tablets clean water, kill harmful bacteria, and stop all types of algae, green, mustard, and black, while preventing stains, scale, and corrosion. With built-in sunlight protection, chlorine lasts longer. Conditioners create silky smooth water for a premium swimming experience. Use 2 tablets weekly per 10,000 gallons. Safe for all pool surfaces. Test water easily with the CLOROX Pool app for expert guidance and personalized treatment recommendations. 7. Rachio Wi-Fi Smart Sprinkler Controller. Ditch the dial and upgrade to smart irrigation with the free Rachio app for easy, precise control. Its patented weather intelligence automatically skips watering during rain, wind, or freeze, saving water year-round. Create flexible schedules or let the app adjust them for your yard's needs. Manage watering from anywhere, track usage, and enjoy a fast DIY install, compatible with 99% of sprinkler systems in 30 minutes or less. 8. YETI Roadie 48. Easy for long treks, tall enough for chilled wine, and big enough for all-day tailgates. The periscope handle retracts for convenience and holds extra heavy loads. Never flat wheels resist impacts and punctures. Lip grip handles make carrying easy and stay out of the way. Barefoot non-slip feet keep it steady on boats or in the back seat, preventing any sliding. Perfect for every adventure. 9. EGO Power LB6504. ATAC-MZN.tote/32. The EGO leaf blower offers up to 650 CFM and air speeds reaching 180 mph to tackle wet leaves, grass, rocks, and debris with turbo mode. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge with the 5.0-hour battery, compatible with all EGO 56-volt ARC lithium batteries. The variable speed trigger with lock-on dial allows airflow control between 225 and 500 CFM, powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor for longer life and low vibration. 10. East Oak P301. Enjoy longer smoke sessions with 6 times more flavor and fewer refills. Just set it and relax. The built-in meat probe ensures perfect cooking by monitoring temperature without opening the door. Reload wood chips anytime without heat loss using the side loader. With 725 square inches of space, cook bigger batches effortlessly. Digital controls simplify smoking, letting you multitask while the smoker delivers consistent, delicious results every time. 11. Coleman Wheeled. This fully insulated cooler keeps ice up to 5 days in 90 degrees Fairfair heat, featuring a stain-resistant liner and leak-proof channel drain plug for easy cleanup. Heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and tow handles ensure easy transport, while the molded lid includes cup holders for up to 30-ounce tumblers. The sturdy lid supports up to 250 pounds, holds 160 cans, and has a recessed lip for easy opening. Logo color may vary. 12. Asus ROG Strix G16. Experience cutting-edge performance with Windows 11 Home, an Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti graphics. Enjoy seamless multitasking with 32GB DDR5 memory and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. A 240Hz ROG Nebula display, advanced cooling, and customizable RGB lighting enhance gameplay. Upgrade easily with toolless access and enjoy smarter performance with a MUX switch and 3-month Xbox Game Pass included. Thanks for watching. If you spotted something you love, don't wait. These deals won't last forever. I've linked all the featured products down in the description so you can shop them easily. Let me know in the comments which item was your favorite or if you scored any great finds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the next fashion deal. See you in the next video.